Hi, I'm Sherry from Whole Circle Studio, and welcome to the Shoreline Shells Block of the Month and Quilt Sew Along. Today I'm going to give you some tips as you begin to make your 8th Shoreline Shells block, an abstract curvy snail shell. In addition to this video, be sure to refer to the tips included in the pattern as well as the links below to additional video tutorials. Let's get started. You'll find that piecing this block is a lot like piecing block 2, but it should be more manageable since the paper isn't quite as large and you have lots of practice for making block 2. If you haven't already, be sure to check out the bonus video for block 2 where I give tips for working with larger pieces of paper. I'll link to it below so you can get a refresher if you need it. There are just 2 paper pieces to join for this block and just a couple of alignments at the perimeter of the shell. If you need some extra help getting accurate alignments, be sure to refer to block 4 where I review my positioning pinning technique. The link is below. I can't wait to see your block come together. Thanks again for being here and sewing along with us. I'll be back next month with even more tips. In the meantime, if you have any questions or comments or something you'd like to share, please let me know. Also, be sure to share your progress on Instagram using the Shoreline Shells hashtags found on the pattern so we can all check out what you're working on. You can also email me photos. My email address can be found in the pattern. I love to see what you're making. See you next month and happy sewing!